Feeling stuffy? Try this sweet elixir. Ever heard of using aniseed-infused honey to soothe that stubborn cough? Okay, so picture this. A warm, rustic kitchen where the magic of aniseed, with its sweet, spicy notes, infuses into golden honey. As you gently heat the mix, the kitchen fills with an enchanting aroma that's both comforting and healing. Add this mixture to your tea, or take it by the spoonful, and feel the relief wash over your throat. Many cultures have sworn by this remedy for ages. It's straightforward, natural, and incredibly effective. Now, before you leave this honeyed adventure, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more delightful remedies.